Hello my dear students, how are you all? Welcome to English class. Today we will study English Pre-Primer, chapter number 7, Sound of vowel U. Sun, fun, pup, mug, bird, gun, cup, dub, nut, duck, run, a run, jug, a jug, sun, a sun, hurt, a hut, tub, a tub, cup, a cup, mug, a mug, cup, a cup. For the teacher, let the children tell about the short sound of few and insist the children on reading the words loudly. Ask them to explain the words. Phonic drill. No more words with U sound. Up, cup, pup, sup, tup. Jug, bug, mug, dug, rug, tug. Bun, run, fun, sun, none, gun. But, gut, cut, nut, hurt, shirt. This is the picture of mug. This is the picture of sun. This is the picture of cup. Let us learn. Pat has a cup. The cup is in the tub. It sings rub, rub, rub. The jug is red. The mug is green. The mug is near the jug. Pat is in the hut. The cup set on the rug. The cup can run. Do not cut the bun. Have a lot of fun. Let's do the exercise. Read and write. 1. Match each word with its correct picture. Example: run, fun, turn. This is the picture of run. Mug, cup, jug. This is the picture of jug. Run, fun, sun. This is the picture of sun. Nut, hurt, cut. This is the picture of hut. Tub, nub, hub. This is the picture of tub. Pup, cup, cup. This is the picture of cup. Write two words each ending with the following sounds. Take help from the help box. Help box: mug, tub, hut, cup, nut, jug, gun, run. A. The words with gun, run. B. Ugh. The words with ugh, mug, jug. Up. See? Up. The words with up, tub, cup. I hope you enjoy learning.